very black, but what's cool about it is you can see underneath. Sometimes you can see fish swimming by. I videoed some ice last year where you could see the fish swimming by. And I also ice skating as a conservation officer checking ice fishermen on a lake. And we had an undercover snake to catch people who were selling protected turtles. Reptilian shows, excuse me. Skating along and I saw a protected turtle, and under the auspice of my profession I collected it under the Law Enforcement Protection Act and was able to give it to our detective who later apprehended subjects, and that turtle was later returned to the wild. So it was pretty cool. But how I did that is there was black ice and I could see a turtle down through the ice, and he was semi-hibernating in the so I dug through my skate and I was able to reach down up to my shoulder and pull him out. And so then he ended up getting a new home after it was all said and done. But isn't this beautiful? I love this black ice. I wish I were winter. I don't have all my equipment here for that. Otherwise I would be. Perfect conditions. I mean, look at this. There's not a soul out here on Lake Huron. Wow. So pretty. So I had a nice run and now I'm warming down, ending my run. I definitely got to work out. You use a lot of stabilizer muscles to run on ice, especially if you don't have any ice creamers. So I'm heading back to my friend's house here and say a few things, hang out for a little while, and take off and head for my house. Woohoo! So I hope you're enjoying your first day.